How to start Bitcoin for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how you can start trading Bitcoin as a beginner, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, not only Bitcoin, there are many forms of cryptocurrencies available, such as Solana, you have Ethereum, you have USDT, you have Ethereum, and so many other cryptocurrencies. And there are so many platforms. There is Binance, there is Trust Wallet, Coinbase, and there's Robinhood, and there are other many cryptocurrency applications that you can use to trade crypto. So what you can do is to basically start Bitcoin. You can use I'm using the Coinbase just for the sake of this video. It doesn't mean you have to use this one. There are many other options out there, so depending on which one you want, that is totally up to you. So here I go to trade option, and here I can tap on buy. I can buy Bitcoin. So let's say the value today is $42,000. I buy Bitcoin for a certain amount of dollars. Tomorrow the value per Bitcoin increases to $43,000. That is still a 10% profit. So if you decide you want to sell it, you can sell it for that profit. If you decide you want to keep it, you can keep it for the profit. Doesn't mean you have to buy a minimum. You can just enter the dollars worth of crypto that you'd like to buy, and then you'll be able to buy them. And that's all it takes to start Bitcoin for beginners. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.